Can we do it then?
When most people see a drone flight, they notice the visuals. But for businesses and field teams, the real value begins after the drone lands. Because drones don't just capture footage, they capture information. During a mission, drones collect aerial images, measurements, location data, and site visuals from angles that are difficult to access manually. But raw data alone is not enough. That information is then reviewed and organized into usable outputs like maps, inspection visuals, progress records, or monitoring reports. For a construction team, this can help track site development. For infrastructure projects, it helps identify visible changes or areas that may require attention. In agriculture, aerial data helps observe crop coverage and field conditions more efficiently. Instead of relying only on ground observations, teams get a broader view of the site, helping support planning and operational reviews. The drone may fly for a short time, but the information collected can continue supporting decisions long after the mission is complete. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace use structured drone workflows to capture, process, and organize aerial data for different operational applications. Because in modern drone operations, the real output is not just imagery. It's insight that helps teams make more informed decisions.